Understanding the fencing lunge in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, fencing lunge. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video will clarify what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started. The term fencing lunge originates from the sport of fencing. In fencing, a lunge is a quick forward movement aimed to strike an opponent with the sword. It's a sudden, decisive action, requiring both precision and confidence. When we use this term outside of fencing, it metaphorically implies making a quick and bold move towards achieving something, often in a strategic or assertive manner. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday English. 1. In business, the CEO made a fencing lunge by investing heavily in new technology. 2. In personal decisions, he took a fencing lunge and asked her to marry him. 3. In sports commentary, the player's last-minute goal was a true fencing lunge to win the game. In each case, the phrase emphasizes a bold, decisive action, akin to a fencer's strategic thrust. Here are some tips for using fencing lunge correctly. It's best used in contexts where boldness or decisiveness is a focus. The phrase often implies a risk or high-stakes situation. It can be used both positively, to admire courage, and negatively, to criticize rashness. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, fencing lunge, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the vivid images and ideas they convey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.